Hey, what is up guys? You're watching Tdevelops, and today I'll be teaching you secret smartphone codes you probably never knew. Take note that these smartphone codes are for Android phones only, and if you want me to do an episode for iPhones, comment it down below. Well, without further ado, let's get into the video. IMEI number, which is *#06#. This simple but very useful code, which is *#06#, will allow you to get the IMEI number of your smartphone, which means International Mobile Equipment Identity Number, thereby allowing you to block your smartphone if it's ever stolen. By giving this code to your smartphone manufacturer or their agents that handles things like that, or you probably just want to know it for funsies, and by funsies I mean for fun and just to impress your colleagues. Wi-Fi, battery and other related information, which is *##4636# *##. The rather long code *##4636# will allow you to see the Wi-Fi information, the battery information like the health, the level, the temperature, etc. This will also allow you to see the IMEI number of your smartphone and other related information. For the Wi-Fi, battery and other related information, which is *#4636#. You see, it opens a menu. You can see the phone information, that's the IMEI number and some other things, the usage statistics, the Wi-Fi information, the Wi-Fi API, Wi-Fi config, Wi-Fi status. And mind you, I tried this on another smartphone. It showed the battery information, so maybe it's because of my smartphone model. In yours, it might show the battery information. Instant factory settings, which is *##7780#*##. This code will allow you to instantly factory reset your smartphone, that is, remove any app you have previously installed and also remove your Google account and other related info. Please take note that if you do this, you won't be able to reverse it, so only use it whenever you need it or you are sure you don't have anything to lose. Listen to yourself, which is *##8351#*##. This code simply allows you to listen to the last 24 calls you have made. You can do this for fun, or if you just want to remember a very important conversation with someone. Reinstall firmware, which is *#2737*3855#. This code will not only remove apps, Google accounts, files and settings, but it will also reinstall the firmware of your smartphone. So only use this if you are a professional or you know what you are doing, because it is irreversible. Hey, if you learned something new from this video, give it a like and share it with your friends, and consider subscribing to get notified whenever I upload new smartphone and other related content. And I'll see you not tomorrow or the next day. Peace.